How to quickly draw the face of the generic character in just a couple of minutes. I know the answer, and today I will share it with you. I am sure after this video you can draw simple faces from any angle as easily as I can. Hi, Gleb here. Let's start. In building a generic face, the first thing I do use a circle. It does not matter whether it's even or not, just a circle. It doesn't have to be perfectly round. This is a very good exercise, because only with practice will you be able to draw a confident line quickly, or you can use the circle tool in Procreate. It's important to remember that a face is not a flat object. This knowledge will help us in the future. In my work, I use a method of thirds. What's the method of thirds, Boris?
It's believed that a person's face can be visually divided horizontally into three identical parts. From hairline to eyebrows, from the eyebrows to the base of the nose, and from the base of the nose to the chin.
Next, I draw a square within a circle. I do this to indicate the temples, hairline and lower eye line. After the circle is ready, outline the most important thing in the face, center line. This includes the line of symmetry and the line of the eyebrows. Next, I use the rule of thirds. These are auxiliary lines that help us outline the main parts of the face by dividing them into three parts. One line for the eyebrows, the second line for the nose, and the third makes the chin. The fourth line is to rule them all. As you can see, the bottom of the circle turns the nose line. This is great. And on the same lines is the lower part of the ears. After we have marked the boundaries of our face, we move to the next stage. Add horizontal lines that will help outline the hairline of the mouth and eyes. The top line of the square shows us the hairline. The bottom of the square is below the line of the eyes. If we divide the small square, in which we will have eyes into two, then we will get the upper line of the eye. Well, in the end, the mouth. It's the middle of the distance from the bottom of the nose to the chin. After all the construction lines are ready, we use them to draw the face. It's important to note that the width of the mouth is determined by the center of the eye. Voila! Generic face from the front view ready. I use the most standard way to build a face, but each illustrator is unique in their way. Therefore, each of us uses proportions as part of our style. Using this principle, you can change the proportions of any part of the face, and you will always get a good result. There are the basics you just need to know when drawing any face. The next step is to draw a face in the profile view. As always, we start with a circle. We place it vertically and horizontally dividing into four parts. The vertical line is our case surface as the central line of the neck, and we will also orient the extreme point of jaw along with it. Next, we lower the vertical line of the face and using the principle of thirds, mark the distance between the chin of the nose and the eyebrow. After we have everything ready, we use the knowledge gained about the construction of the face. We place the eye guided by edges of the square. Next, we mark the bridge of the nose, which is approximately at the center of the eyes. The next step is to place the ear. It's on the center line. The lower part of the ear touches the circle. The upper one is also at the center of the eye. Thus, we have a blank of human face ready, but it lacks volume, so I add the light of the nose, equal to the distance from the edge of the square to the edge of the circle. Next, I draw the mouth. Add the little volume of the head from behind.
One particle of titanium has a nuclear reaction with a flux capacitor. Carry the two, changing its atomic mass donor into a radioactive spot.
The face ready.
You're still here? Well, then like this video, subscribe to our channel, and we continue.
And finally, let's analyze the three-quarters view. It's the same here. Should I repeat what was said above?
Yes, of course. Let me explain. We draw a circle, use this method of thirds, divide everything by 2, and we are gorgeous?
Yes and no. Remember, at the beginning I said that it's important to remember that the human head is not just a simple circle, but a three-dimensional object. So here, don't forget about the volume. In the perspective, it's important to note the temples, and we can also do this by inscribing a square in a circle. The only point is that in the perspective it will be a cube. It's also important not to forget, the eyebrow lines will go into perspective, and the nose line may overlap the eyes. And one more of my secrets is that at the intersection of the circle and the middle line of eyes, a check is formed. Don't forget about it. I hope this video helped you, and you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all at the next one. Bye.